Take a look at this problem. 3 plus 98. It's not hard, but your brain has to work a little, right? Now, what if I told you there's a math law that lets you rearrange those numbers and get the answer almost instantly? Today, we're exploring a law that gives you exactly that power. But here's the catch. Use it in the wrong place and everything falls apart. Let's find out why. Hi, my name's GumLeaf and welcome to Mental Math Strategies. Today, I'm working from the Immersed VR space station. This is a video series designed to help you solve math problems faster, smarter, and in your head. No calculator needed. These videos are made for students working through Stage 3 and Stage 4 maths in the New South Wales curriculum. But honestly, if you want to get sharper at mental maths, you're in the right place no matter where you are. Each video will look at a different law or strategy that changes the way you think about numbers. Today, we start with one of the most useful, the commutative law. The word commutative comes from the word commute, which means to travel or move around. And that's exactly what this law lets you do, move numbers around. Here's the rule. For addition and multiplication, the order of the numbers does not change the answer. In math code, it looks like this. A plus B equals B plus A. All this means is 3 plus 98 is exactly the same as 98 plus 3. But here's why that matters. Your brain finds it much easier to start with the big number and count up 3. 99, 100, 101. Done. Same answer, way less effort. That's the commutative law in action, and it's a small trick that makes a big difference. The same idea works for multiplication. The math code is A times B equals B times A. Imagine you're setting up chairs in a hall, 4 rows of 6. That's 4 chairs by 6 chairs. That's 24 chairs in total. Now turn your head. You see 6 columns of 4. That's 6 chairs times 4 chairs. Still 24 chairs in total. You rearranged the numbers. The answer stayed exactly the same. This is the commutative law, and it works every single time for addition and multiplication. Now, this is the part you must remember. The commutative law only works for addition and multiplication. It does not work for subtraction or division. For an example, 10 minus 4 equals 6. But 4 minus 10 is minus 6. So they're different answers. Another example with division. 20 divide 5 is 4. But when you turn those numbers around, 5 divide 20 is 0.25. Again, completely different numbers. So the first rule of using this tool is know when you can't. Subtraction, division, leave the order alone. Today we learned the commutative law. You can change the order of numbers in addition and multiplication. Never do it with subtraction or division. Knowing when to use a tool is just as important as knowing how. If this helped you, hit subscribe. The next video in this series covers associative law, the law of grouping, and it's even more powerful. Give this video a like and let me know if we're on the right track. This is GumLeaf. See you next time.